In this video, I'm going to be going over what are the advantages of snaps. Snaps work across all Linux distributions, regardless of desktop or default package manager. Snaps have a store called the Snapcraft Store, or snap.io, that allows developers to publish their applications directly to users. Snaps combine all dependencies into one single package. Snaps auto updates. Snaps are partially sandboxed. Snaps are easier to maintain for the end user, meaning you don't need to configure anything and you don't need to add repositories. Snaps can contain graphical applications, CLI tools, wallpapers, configuration files, instead of just graphical applications. Snaps can do transactional updates with rollback on error, delta updates for smaller file sizes. Snaps have time for the Snaps save time for the maintainers. Build one image and it works on all 4 LTS releases plus current release. Isolate tool changes between OS and app. Snaps have the ability to update app independently of rest of apps and avoid avoid dependency hell, keep OS stable. Snaps have the ability to install multiple versions of the app in the same system. Snaps have the ability to run the same image on desktop, server, and IoT systems. Snaps provide an app update or even kernel update mechanisms for IoT systems, which often do not have one. Snaps provide a simpler, faster connection between users and original app devs for updates and bug reporting. Snaps have single store model, which will be familiar to potential new users of Linux who already use that model on Android.os, Firefox, Chrome versus code, etc. Snap's single store model arguably is more secure than adding NPPAs to your software sources list. So these are the advantages of snaps. In the next video, I'm going to be going over its disadvantages.